This is Annette Ferris, Advanced Master Gardener at English Gardens, Royal Oak. There are things that require your attention in the fall, things not to do, and some personal choices. Let's start our fall garden party today and freshen up our gardens for the coming season. The fall season begins with Halloween and continues through Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year. With the right planning, you can transition some of your decorations, fall and Halloween into Thanksgiving, and Christmas into winter. Porch pots add a burst of color and fall flair to your autumn porch entrance. Plant cold-tolerant annuals like asters, pansies, viola, and mums for the fall season. Use dried or fresh fall branches like red or yellow twig dogwood, or evergreen branches for the holidays like fresh bittersweet or twisted dried willow. Decorate with appropriate seasonal decor. Add LED lights like purple, black, or orange for Halloween and Thanksgiving. For holidays or Christmas, add LEDs in red, warm white, blue, and chartreuse. Whatever color your celebration enhance. Some other tips and tricks are: add bold foliage plants, tuck in seasonal flowers, plant an ornamental grass for instant drama, play up different textures, pop in late blooming perennials, incorporate dark foliage specimens such as coral bells, like obsidian. Have a bare patch in your container? Cover with a pumpkin or gourds, ornamental cabbages. Reshuffle your container layout with whatever is unusual and or colorful. Fall garlands and wreaths are a great way to show off your style. Grapevine wreaths work well for all seasons. Use fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas decor for accent. For outdoor wreaths, take advantage of colorful leaves, berries, and branches. Spray fresh berries and branches with wiltstock to preserve their beauty. Add lights such as battery-operated LEDs. Color is key. Don't be afraid to mix and match and try something new. First, select a main color. Maybe you have a favorite, then pick one or two accent colors. For example, if we pick yellow, complementary is violet, and the accent is orange or orange-yellow. For red, yellow is a great accent. Color is your choice. Pick what pleases you. Landscaping is another element that can transform your summer space into fall. Add plants with great fall and winter appeal. Maple tree, red twig dogwood, burning bushes, viburnum. Keep in mind, many landscaping plants change color in fall. Maple will turn red or yellow. Burning bushes turn red from green. Viburnum has red-orange berries in fall, and leaves change color, some to red, some to yellow. Big leaf hydrangea blossoms turn opaque colors, almost a papery quality, pink or pink to purple, or blue to purple pink, and red in fall. Cold-tolerant annuals are perfect for fall color. Pansies and viola in yellow, orange, purple, and white. Asters in lavender, white, and pink blossoms. Ornamental grasses like Karl Forster reed grass, dwarf fountain grass, Japanese forest grass. Seasonal decorations bring a fun and festive element to your yard and outdoors spaces. Decorate your front door or porch with mums, hay bales, Indian corn, corn stalks, and ornamental cabbages and kales. Tie a few corn stalks to your mailbox or lampposts. Add a few pumpkins and gourds, and you've got a perfect fall accent. Inside your home, decorate branches or grapevines with dried flowers from your garden. Shape them into a wreath or make a swag to hang from a window, above a doorway, or across a mantle. Enjoy those last few flowers from your garden and tuck a few sunflowers in a vase to brighten a corner. Or try your hand at drying a few blossoms so you can enjoy them long after the snows flies. Perennials for fall in your garden include Caryopteris or bluebeard, has blue swords of flowers on bushes, blooms in late August through September, attracts butterflies, grows to be 24 to 36 inches tall, and requires at least 6 to 7 hours of direct sun. Aconitum or monkshood grows 4 to 5 foot in height It has deep purple flowers on a spike. It's good to note that all parts of plant are toxic. Fall anemone grows about 2 foot wide and a foot tall and blooms in late fall. Asters come in pink, lavender, and blue. Chalone turtlehead needs 6 hours of sun, but it can take some shade. They grow 24 to 36 inches tall and come in pink, rose, or white blooms. Cerasosum or plumbago plant in sun to part shade for deep blue flowers. This makes a great ground cover. It blooms late August through September. Helenium sneezeweed. The plant needs at least 6 hours of direct sun a day. It grows 2 to 4 feet tall with gold to rust blossoms. It'll bloom September through October. Tricystis or toad lily. This orchid-like flower grows to be 20 to 30 inches tall. It needs 2 to 4 hours of sun or full shade a day. Blooms September through October. Here are some fall annuals and perennials to grow in containers and your garden. For a beautiful balanced container, follow the tips below. Thrillers equals the focal point in your container. Spillers equals the plants that cascade over the pot. Fillers complete the look of the container. If your pot is 10 to 12 inches, you'll need a total of 3 to 7 plants. 1 thriller, 1 to 3 spiller, and 1 to 3 fillers. If your pot is 18 to 20 inches, you'll need a total of 11 plants. 1 thriller, 5 spillers, and 5 fillers. The idea is to have fun with your fall garden and restructuring your summer containers to welcome fall and the coming holiday season. Grow what you like and enjoy. Keep a journal or notes of your successes and failures. Keep trying to improve your skills and your creativity. Please call our local stores and consult one of the experts to assist you if you have any questions. This is Annette at English Gardens, Royal Oak, helping you transition from a summer garden to fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas holiday decors. Always remember, when the world wearies, there is always a garden for your enjoyment. Happy gardening.